This is fun because we didn't get to taste any of the desserts on the show.
No.
It's nice to finally hear our opinion.
Hey, Tasty, I'm Andrew Rannells.
And I'm Prue Leith.
And I'm Casey Wilson.
And we are at Tasty Studios ranking the most viral NYC tasty desserts.
Bring it on.
You love to taste things.
Oh, I'm greedy. I'm really greedy.
Oh. Well, these are the Levain.
What is Levain?
Levain is a fantastic bakery here in New York. It's also in Los Angeles, but they are incredible.
I've never seen a chocolate chip cookie that looked like that. They're always
Feel how
flat.
heavy. Yeah.
Wow.
It's like a workout and a dessert.
No.
They are so
They're so
heavy.
dense.
This is a dream come true.
Are they meant to be like this?
Yeah.
I thought the point about pastry is they're supposed to be light and airy.
Not in America. If you eat a whole one of these,
Oh, darn.
you will feel ill.
Right.
In a great way.
Do you know what's so good about that? Is it's really good chocolate.
It's a really good chocolate. And it's oddly still kind of moist in the middle. No?
One is the highest, oddly, but it is. So I'm not going to give it a 1 because I think we might have something even better.
True.
So I'll give it a 2.
I'm going to give it a 2 as well, although I don't know that anything will beat it. But
Yeah.
this is the first one we're trying.
I just like to do what everyone else is doing, so I'm gonna say 2. Sunday morning cream cheese glazed cinnamon roll.
Okay. In England, are these smaller?
Yes.
As big as my head.
And with less icing.
It's very American.
Yeah.
But you know, I was once with my brother stuck in Cincinnati airport, and he bought, because they couldn't buy them singly, because they were quite clever, they were selling them fabulously. So we bought a box of 24.
No.
And before the 8 hours were up, we'd eaten them all. I've never felt so ill.
Let's
Here we
try
go.
it. Now you really want to get the center. That's good.
That's good.
That's like mall good.
Isn't that good? It doesn't look great.
No.
Normally I
Tastes a
put
lot
butter on
better
it.
than it looks.
And you don't need butter or anything on this. It's just
You certainly don't. Do you ever put butter on a cinnamon
I
roll?
slather it on there, Prue. Slather it.
It's not as heavy as the cookie.
It's not meant to be.
Nope.
I think it's incredible. But I like cinnamon. You know, I
So do
love cinnamon
so do
rolls.
And so,
Would this take your number 2 spot?
you know what we should really do? Is we should just mentally make notes about them
Okay.
and then rank them at the end.
Okay.
She's a professional judge.
And then we should get them all back again and be cool.
Yeah.
Oh. Magnolia banana pudding.
This is their classic offering.
I don't know what a banana pudding is.
Oh, you're in for a treat.
Really?
Do you like diabetes? Because this is gonna put you over the edge.
If you like diabetes, you're gonna love
You're
this.
gonna love this.
So,
Ready?
it's basically sponge and bananas.
Sponge and banana.
And
Yeah.
cream.
Yep.
What's wrong with that?
Nothing.
No, I'm not a banana person per se.
Oh, then this is gonna be a problem.
No, but that's how I think this is very good because it's making, I like
You like it?
Yeah, I really like it.
Do you know, I think it's delicious, but I don't think I would like to eat a lot of it.
No, you'll feel.
It needs something crisp in it.
Yeah, that's
It's
a good
just
point.
so sort of, it's all soft and slodgy.
Too slodgy.
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 Too slodgy.
3.
Well done. 3.
Okay. This is fun because we didn't get to taste any of the desserts on the show.
No.
It's nice to finally hear our opinion.
Yeah.
Enough with just Prue's opinion on
They
the
were
dessert.
very strict about don't judge.
Very
Judge.
strict.
Oh, you're not
Don't
allowed to
judge.
judge.
Yeah.
Just host.
Just make your faces.
That must be so hard because they really don't want to see you.
No, they-
they just want to get on
They really do.
and get on with their bakes, and you keep coming and interrupting you.
They hated us, and I could see it in their eyes when we would come up.
But you might not have heard this, but Casey did. She walked up to one of the bakers who wasn't really chatting, and Casey walked up to him and said, "Have you ever cheated on your wife?"
Had to elicit a response.
While he's like
talking. He's like,
making bread.
He goes, "What?" And I said, "You heard me. Have you cheated on her?"
But
And he
you know
goes,
what? It broke the ice.
It broke the ice.
If this is an almond croissant, it is my favorite thing in the whole world.
Really? Okay.
It's basically a croissant with an almond filling and almonds on top.
How do you feel about the?
Well, at first glance, you'd think it's slightly overbaked. I think it's wise because the trouble with an almond croissant, it's often feels underbaked because the middle is soft and
Yeah.
stodgy. I want to bite a bit in the middle because that's where the almonds are. Where's the camera? Look at those layers. They're all perfectly layered. Wow.
Perfectly. A
And if it-
4-year-old didn't make this. These are probably real hard to make.
I think that's lovely.
I agree.
Agree. That was great. Okay, I gotta stop.
That was really good. But now, is that number one? Is that your number one?
I think that's my favorite.
Dominique Ansel made these cronuts, and they're seasonal.
This is, oh, now this is also
That
heavy.
is heavy.
Is it
Not light and flaky.
meant to be like a donut?
It's a cross between.
A donut and a croissant. Let's have a look inside.
Is there something inside?
Something's
Nope.
inside.
Yeah, there's a strawberry filling.
Ooh,
Is-
that's really nice. That's well good.
I like that more than I thought I would.
Me
Just
too. I
with
was
the
a little
flavor,
afraid.
knowing the flavors.
I mean, what's not to love about strawberries and cream?
Yeah.
Yeah,
I don't think it needs the icing on the top, but I suppose they have to do that because they want to distinguish it from,
Yeah.
make it look like it's strawberries and cream. And it's not my favorite because I think it's ruined by so much icing on top.
Wow.
And again, we like a lot of icing in America.
Let's put the top
That
on.
one here?
Okay.
Great.
So we think either of these, huh?
Yeah.
Might be.
Yeah.
Yep.
I really like the cinnamon roll
cinnamon
too.
roll, I
And
think
you like
is-
that. Cinnamon roll.
I would say.
On these two, not so good.
Love it.
I mean, this in a way, this for me is easy because that's much too sweet for me. I've got very English taste buds, and you Americans do like a lot of sugar.
We do like
We
the
love
sugar.
it. We love it.
Have you ever had a pixie stick?
Oh, what's that?
Just sugar that
It's
you
just colored sugar you drink out of a straw.
or fun dip.
Fun dip, that's a thing. It's just sugar in an envelope, and you stick a stick in it, and then you suck it.
Sugar in an envelope. I think you love it.
No, you know what? It should be bad. I think that's far too sweet.
Okay. I don't know.
love
I
that
think
cookie
cookie
was
goes number one.
Big for me, but
But you are thinking neck and neck
you
here.
like
I would
almonds.
prefer that for number one, but we are not allowed to have a patai, are we? So,
Probably not.
Yeah,
we
no,
can do
two-
whatever we want.
If two of you
You're
want,
Prue Leith.
no, if both of you want that one, then I think it has to go there.
I mean, you just got to make all the decisions on the show, Prue, so it feels like maybe Andrew and I could have a moment and pick the cookie.
No, no.
The cookie. Okay, so yeah, I'm happy with this lineup.
Me too.
Me too.
You're welcome, Tasty.
But we love them all.
Let's make it clear, they're all winners.
They're all winners.
They are all delicious. They're all delicious.
Yeah.
Well, I tell you what, that was worth coming to New York for.
Yes, it was.
Maybe it was worth coming to see you too.
Oh, what a sweetheart.
But it was certainly worth coming to New York for.
This was a delight.
It was a real delight. Thank you for having us, Tasty.
Thank you, Tasty.
We've had a lot of fun.
We have had fun.
But when do the public get to hear what we think?
Well, they'll have to watch us
Good.
on Roku.
The Great American Baking Show, which we all star, and Paul Hollywood is featured. Now he's a
pops in
star
and
too,
out.
but he's not here today. Do you think Paul would have picked?
Oh yeah,
What do you think Paul
would
would have picked?
What would he have picked?
He'd have picked that one. Anyway, he's not here, so we don't care.
No, we don't
He's
care.
not here, so we
Yeah,
don't
no,
care.
he's on the beach
No, but you
in
can-
Cyprus, really.
But you can tune in and see all of us on the Great American Baking Show.
Yes.